You've seen these viral pop effect videos everywhere. Wedding videos, dance reels, viral edits. That satisfying pop effect where the subject literally pops out of the frame looks amazing. I'm going to show you the simplest way to make it right now. Welcome to Bujhle Easy AI Shikho free and easy series. Today, we're turning your regular photos into animated pop art. Go to your video, wedding, dance, vlog, anything. Find the best moments. Take screenshots. Open Gemini or Whisk. Both are free. Upload your screenshot. Set the aspect ratio, 9:16 for vertical, 16:9 for horizontal. Then paste the pop style prompt given. Hit Generate. Whisk gives you 2 images every time. Generate multiple times. Download the one you like. Repeat for all your frames. Want a cartoon style instead of pop? Paste the cartoon prompt, generate, and download. Look at these results. Look at them. Let's see the photos now. Insane, right? Transformed in just few clicks using the prompt. Free and easy. A still image is cool, but moving? That's mind-blowing. Open Meta AI. It's free. Upload your generated image. Click Create Video. Paste the animation prompt, hit Generate. Boom! Your still image just came to life. Do the same for all frames and download them. Now, join these into your video. To do that, open Capcut. Import your main videos, add overlays of those pop images and clips, apply effects, apply music. Export, done. Now watch the final result. Now here's the deal. I am creating these type of cool AI free and easy series regularly for you. Follow this channel so that you don't miss. Like if this was useful. Comment the word pop. I will DM you all the prompts used in this video. See you in the next one.